Here we go again, people. Let's start with this one. This now makes camera 3. There you are. Look at it. In this one you can even see it rotate some. Right here, watch the feature. See it right here? Now watch it. Boom. Now the feature's here. Boom. Now the feature's almost going over the top there. And if you watch it, and the lens flaring, if you pay attention to it, is in front of it. And it keeps going. This is a beautiful view of it here. Look at her just go. Now we're up to real time. This is what time it is actually now. I'll move it up so everybody can see everything up there. You can see it here. And as you can see, this is as far as it goes. So this is real time. Now I'll be backing it up. And watch her. There's no lens flare about that. There's no... If that's not Planet X or Nibiru or some other sort of heavenly body, that is some sort of lensing system, then they must have in front of it trying to hide it. And it's getting too close, and there's not anything they can do about it anymore. You know, all they could do to make that disappear is chemtrail the crap out of it. And when you're up here in the middle of Alaska, where there's a whole 50 people living about where this location's at, you don't try to hide it. See, right here's a great view. Boom. You gotta remember, the reason it jumps into view a lot of times is there's a 10 to 20 minute interval between frames. See, pay attention here. It's 10:07. Go backwards. Bam, 9:57. 10 minutes. And right here you can see the very edge of it coming up. And it's coming up behind the chems and all the crap that they've thrown up in the sky on the horizon, so we're not supposed to be able to see this. And there you go. See, bam, 10 minutes later, she comes popping out of all the soup and bullshit that's down there. And then starts floating back up. You can see the sun or the simulator, or whatever they call that, up there. So there we are, back to nighttime. So once again, I'll go back and check these a little bit later today. But now I'm going to pop you over to this webcam. I only got a couple frames on this camera, but this makes number 4. And we are on this one, No-Tech South. This is also Alaska. Right there she is. Same spot, same place in the horizon. And you can see her, there's 3 frames, 4 frames, 5 frames, 6 frames. It's still right here. The soup and the crap they've done put up in the sky is starting to cover it up. Doesn't take much to make a little bit of glare from a light source and make something just disappear. It's a very simple concept just to make something vanish. And there you are, people. And just for fun, I'll go back to this one. And there she is again. And this is Perryville, southeast, 155 degrees. And just to see if we can still see it, I'm going to go up and refresh this page. Maybe we'll get one more image. Go back to loop. Go back to the, I believe it was the 155. Let's click. Oh dear Lord, there she's still there. You just watch me go through the whole routine. See, there's no trickery going on here. Now we're going back through. And remember, this is our wonderful government's website. This is ffa.gov. This is all the aircraft cams. Oh, that was wonderful. Watch this. There's your strip right here of features on the top of the planet. Click it. Watch them. Now they're here. Click it again. Now they're cresting over the top once again, as I've shown before. This is a beautiful view of it today. And just watch it keep going and going and going. And to do this, all you gotta do is go to our wonderful FFA site up here that I'm showing you. Follow the cursor. Just type that in. If you want to verify any of this for yourself. And there you are, people. There's all the cameras you get to explore and figure out. And remind you, they're right between 130, 140 degrees to anywhere right about 220 to 240. If it's nice and sunny and they haven't mucked up our sky, you can see everything just beautifully. Well, I'm going to post this short little video here. You guys can all think what you think or decide what you want to decide. Respect to you all and live well, and please be prepared because it is coming and there isn't a damn thing any one of us can do about it. other than just watch its glory as it finally floats into our atmosphere and just hope for the best. I thank you, and you all have a good day now. I'll try to get another short one out to you this evening.